I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
I think a lot of Bitcoiners are thinking about AI, and I agree. It's probably the most important invention since writing, maybe since fire. I think it is going to change everything. Economically, I'm very optimistic, although my day job is trying to shrink government so the new jobs can actually come along, because that's what happened in previous industrial revolutions. But I think all of us are concerned about who is going to control AI. I think a lot of the discussion focuses on like what AI is going to do, and I think that's the wrong way to think about it. AI is a tool. It is like a gun. On its own, it does absolutely nothing. It is inert. It follows instructions. But it's one hell of a gun. And the question is, who is holding that gun? Who is controlling that AI? Who is programming it? Who is training it? Who is giving it instructions? And whoever controls the most powerful AI, I think is, or whoever that group is, they are Thanos. They own everything. And so it becomes very, very interesting who exactly is most likely going to control the most powerful AI. The world as it's currently structured, I think realistically, given budgets and ancillary infrastructure, you've got two candidates, which are either some organization in Silicon Valley or some organization in the Chinese version of Silicon Valley, Zhongguancun. And in either case, those are going to be owned by the respective governments. I very deeply dislike the US government. I even more deeply dislike the mainland Chinese government. So for me, sort of an existential question here is that I think a hell of a lot more depends on building out decentralized tools. Right, there are billions of people in the world. There are many, just in the Bitcoin community, we've got tens of millions of people who are engineers, who are programmers. We collectively, I think, outweigh either of those chumps. But, up until now, I think we've seen a lot of development in decentralized tools, stuff like Nostr, some utility coins, things like Filecoin, not as money, but as decentralized tools. Throughout this, it's exciting to see that progress and accelerate. And I think that Bitcoin specifically plays a critical role in that you can't organize large scale activities without money. It is impossible. It doesn't happen. And Bitcoin is kind of the blood circulating in the decentralized economy. And that to me is our only hope. Otherwise, it is going to be either U.S. government specifically or the Chinese government that literally controls every aspect of you. We will have a Chinese-style police state to the 1,000th power.